Wow, what do you know? The lights still work. How you doing? My name is Chris. Welcome to my shop. It's been a while. Okay, so while I was on vacation, I saw something and I thought that would be incredibly easy to make. And you know what? It wouldn't cost anything. What is it selling for? And I looked and went, really? And they're selling these? Here's the material you need. A branch from a tree. I guess the time to cut the branch up and to sand it and things of that nature. So if you guys are time concerned, yes, I guess there would be some time. But out-of-pocket cost, a little bit of stain, maybe, some finish, and a dab of glue, as well as a little piece of dowel. So out-of-pocket expense, I'm guessing $2 to make this. And you could probably sell it, well, for what I saw, you could sell it for 40 bucks. So $2, $38 profit, that's 90-something% profit if you decide to do this. And it's so easy, it would take you, I'm guessing, half an hour to make this. So I tell you what, enough talking about it. Let me go ahead and start doing it, and then I'll show you the end product. And then you can decide if it's something that you'd like to make for yourself, or maybe if you do craft fairs, you might want to knock a few out, make some money. So there you go. A couple of branches, some stain, little finish, dab of glue, a dowel, and it sells for 40 bucks. Don't ask me, I don't get it either, but I'm not gonna question it. And if you don't know what this is yet, hold on and I'll show you. What, you think I was gonna leave this here? Come on, get out in your shops, go make that first cut and get something done. I'll talk to you later.